Hi, I'm Irene with BrainStormAcres, and Henry and I are going to go visit Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo. Now, for those who don't know what Cadillac Ranch is, it's an art installation. It's pretty cool.
Wind is always blowing here.
I have never seen it well, I take that back. There was one time I was here in July when there was not a breath of air moving, and it had to have been 110 in the shade, and you'll notice there's no shade. It was just intense. Probably the shortest visit I ever made here. It was just too hot. There was nobody hanging around. People would come in, do their spray paint thing, and get out. It's a corgi. It's a fierce corgi. They're always fierce. Some of these cars must literally have like half an inch of paint on them in places. Continuously changing because everybody's allowed to change it, which is kind of cool actually. You can actually legally spray paint here without getting in trouble. quite the art exhibit. It's something we've seen a couple of times, and every time you come back, the colors will be different, the words will be different, the pictures will be different, because people from all over the world come here to express their creativity. And some of it's pretty creative, and some of it's, yeah, but you know, it's a cool effect, a very cool effect. So, hope you've enjoyed this crazy little sidetrack here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.